and dancing just flex. Real flag boss, you know what just flex.
Just flex, tell them say prayer works.
Just flex, keep you posted all on your cruise, you know what just flex with subscribers, much respect for the support, car. Number one, me say you just flex.
Blessings, blessings, blessings. Top of the Wednesday to one and to all, yeah? You know, say another week of Dopey story. Another Wednesday. 8 stories going since the start of January. Differently from last year. You don't know a series of Dopey stories over there. But anyway, I'm just come to share 2 Dopey stories with you guys. Try and make them spice short, you know, as quick as possible. So here we go on, you know, then. This female goes by the name Miss Davis. Big woman and thing. Elderly woman. So Boomski now, I go link Miss Davis like last week Monday and thing, you know. All a big woman reasoning, you know. Yeah, and there are all a reason that Miss Davis are telling me so right now, fear experience and thing. Yeah, with her Dopey, you know, with Dopey. She tell me say Blex just to be around like year before last. I in St. Catherine. She say I like around year before last and thing, you know. Don't know say yo, she have 3 bedroom and thing, you know. Yeah, 3 bedroom, living room, veranda, bathroom. She have 2 bathroom, 1 kitchen. So anyway, Miss Davis I say right now, she only they live with her granddaughter at the time because her daughter they migrate and thing. So Miss Davis I say right now one morning early she get up like after 4 I go to 5. You know, look morning they look dark out, but not that dark out. So Miss Davis I said she look up the road now from in her yard space and say a female walk come down with some bag, you know. Bag like, you know, when you move go somewhere and thing, you know. So she said to herself, say, yo, you hear me? Oh, this a female, you know. You know them hours are too much bag. But she said when the female reach near to her, she realized that she don't see the female. Anyway, Miss Davis I said, Chuck, I go, she say, and that's it. Miss Davis said, the woman, the dopey woman, you know, say is like say when she see her and she like say she disappear. Apart she pass her go in her house. So anyway, you know, Miss Davis I say right now you hear me, she dead there after that, you know. Nights for nights and can't sleep, you see me? Yeah, she said more while she just hear her be nice in her kitchen to pack them and make dinner. But anyway, she not pre nothing and thing. So Miss Davis I say anyway, you know. She have visitor will come there and stay in the back room. Because in the back room, the woman go live in, because it's an empty room, you know. So the woman go live in the back room and she and her granddaughter. So it's like, so now Miss Davis I say, you know, she there now and say, days are run off and she realize her house feel different and thing, because she have certain type of feeling, you see me? So Miss Davis I say right now, you hear me? The visitor go come, and one of her female visitor go come and I stay in the back room. And she only see the female get up and run, come round a fair room, and I make sure know say, yo, somebody in that room there, man. Because me in there, I just see a shadow come over me. And then when I walk, I don't see nobody. So at that the female, the woman I make, she know now, you know. So Miss Davis I say, she tell her that now, and I said, but she say, how could I go on? Miss Davis said she stays so Boomski now and start, you know, play the blood of Jesus and start going with a bag of thing, you see me? So Miss Davis I say right now, you hear me? She have it say the woman gone. Miss Davis say around 2 weeks run off, 3 weeks run off, you see me? She said, different visitor come, that one man this time, named Steve. Steve I tell her the same thing, say, yo, somebody living there, somebody living there. Peeps, Miss Davis say I'm mad, she just get mad, you know. Zine, and just turn on the hose, you know. Because she just couldn't take it no more, you know. She say she turn on the hose, you know. Like screw on the hose, you know, inside bathroom, you know. And just wet up the whole line of the room. I mean, say she wet up the furniture, them, I mean, soak it. Like literally, like, you know, say, yeah, wash out a place with water. She say that she have to do, you know. Miss David say, yo, Blex, when me done, soak the bed, soak. She said only things she couldn't soak at the TV and certain things she'd have to take them out. She said, yo, all the Chester jar get soaked, Jessa get soaked, everything get soaked. And I saw Miss Davis, I said, Blex, you don't believe me, say, I lift the woman, lift up. And the woman dreams, smaddy, that our next door neighbor and tell them, say, the woman, and nobody don't know the woman, no. The woman dream them and say, oh, the woman get rid of her next door. come wet up her clothes and wet up her things them. Why make sure nobody tell her piece to say for go on about her business. So that now Miss Davis I say, oh, me fi do that, me I tell her say for left my house, my visitor them can't come sleep in peace. You see it? Yes, people. So Jassy B, it's sad, you know, because right now you hear me, Miss Davis I say right now, if you look a back room, she have to watch it. Because from the woman that come live in it, it's like she have to say, hey, I want if more she could have bring her somebody else as a visitor come live in the panel. So through that right now, I set Miss Davis so she has set up her back room just to make somebody occupy it. You see me? Because she has say, yo, a whole heap of time differently from then. Because you have all the next man dead. And I see a man go text it upon a visitor. Because you have a female who live a country, but she work at town, so when she come stay there. And you see him, so after that woman they left, they have a man who got dead, you know, in the same place, you know. We text it upon woman, you know. You see me? All other man go up there, you know, and see the man after a point and say, see the man there behind you there, so I wish man that. And by the time she look around, she not see nothing, him not see nothing, him have to cut too, you know. You see me, that are the same yard, you know. And I know that same man there too, you know, where it reach, you know, because when I go up there the night, you know, because I go up there the night too, you know. Same place I come while you don't know, we don't know the place, I St. Catherine, you see me? Yeah, and the man tell me the same thing when I go there. Just be sad. So here we go on here now. We'll move on to the next one, right? So this, you know, I said this carpenter time though, you know? Yeah. Him do carpentry and Mr. Carpenter. So here we go on now, peeps. This man goes by the name Mr. Jackson, you know. You see it? Yeah, but we call him Nightcrawler. So why we call him Nightcrawler, you know? And because them man they come and say them no work a day. And mostly night time them man they on your building a work. So them man they deal with roofing, the whole of them thing there, you see me? So it's like no, just to be Nightcrawler tell me say right now, you hear me? I'm going one place in a whisper. In a Falmouth Chilani there, so. You see me? Say back in them days and thing, you know? When him think they more fit up, because old man you know, but him just tell you so when him think they fit. Man say him stay so boomski, Zane, and there. So many Chilani, but the man say true him have family, the nearby, and friends see me where him know from him a youth ago there. So the man say him stay so anyway, him come in, but true him do work. For him set up people, him, so then recommend him, you see me? And send him for a building where them say they want to refurbish. So what him have to do, him have to take off back the roof and then put on a new roof. But in them days, and I like now, when you see them a build, like, you know, roof slant certain way, them time they saw it building, you know. So the water runs so. You see? So at them type of roof, them say him a go build, you know. So it's like, say, Boomski now, Nightcrawler, say, him no stay so now, you know, peeps. You see me? Get him hammer, get him saw, get him thing them. Say you right now, yeah, him a go run out, but here one now, you see through them man there. A whole heap of work at the time, so him have to work day and him have to work night. So the man say, here we go on. Him want done the roofing for that house there at Chilani for come back at town, you know. So him say, yeah, I go take around 3 days upon this. Instead I have to go do it day and take all a week. So the man say, here we go on. I go start my thing. So the man say, him alone go there the first night. You see me? And the man say when him stay so, you know, Zine, Boomski and start take off. Because him go there from in the evening. But when him say by the time him don't take off the roof night, catch him. You see me? The man say, you know, no Zine, no depend the house stop, you know. And the man say when him stay so Boomski now, you know, take off everything and come down now, you know, peeps. The man say like him a walk and the man just say look back. When him look back, him see a man stand up on the house. My man no tap no depend it, you know. Him know say him can't go stand up in the milk, I'm going to drop. Because nothing there for hold him up. So when him look, him see a man. But him say the way him see the man have on a black something. You see me? Him can't see him face good. But to him must say, no man, a man can't stand up there, so that have to be something. So him say to himself, say, yeah, why you hear me? Nah, but I sleep yourself for the night, you know. Man say him stay so Boomski and cut. Got him family hard. So the man say, yeah, the way you know him things stay him want cut. Come back at town. So the man say, here we go on. He might go link on them friend them. So the man say, go for a youth named Max. Big man too in a them time. So he must say, go for a youth named Max. Tell him, say, yo, me a pay you, know. You see me? For 2 days, you know. But here we go on, you know. You don't see, say, right now, me have to work a day. So here we go on in the evening mostly. But the man say, he couldn't tell him, say, him see the man, you know. up there, you know, because you don't know in them time there, and every man you can tell that. You see me? So the man saying keep that to himself, but him just know say him want the company him alone, nah stay there, you know, peeps. You know say really and truly done, Max, you know, go forward with him and thing, you know. So anyway, it's like them better work for the first night, so the second night now, it's like Jassy B, Nightcrawler go tell Max, here we go on. Me go want you go there early and clean up the place till me come. See? Because through him working at the day too, you know. That Nightcrawler, you know. So Nightcrawler tell him, so the laborer say, yo, you can go up in the evening because we're going to work in the night. Because I want to finish up this cut by tomorrow. Peeps. You know, say Mad Max go stay so Boomski and go up there, you know. And when Max stays so Boomski, you know, and go up there and clean up in the building, night go catch him, you see me? So it's like Max stays so now Boomski, you know, I clean up in the building, you know. You see me? Nightcrawler said the man a clean up my building, but I know Nightcrawler not dead, you know. Nightcrawler said, I went Max come tell him, you know. You see me? So it's like say, Max I say him in there, you know, clean up, you know. And the man say me like 2 board job and thing, you know. Like somebody I work alongside him, you see me? So the man say him stay so, you know. Look so now, you know, him not see nobody, you know. The man say look, you know, him see the board them a move, you know. So the man said to himself, say, nah man, this not right. So Mad Max say anyway him stay so and cuss 2 bad word. I say, who, like him, I say, who there man? And cuss 2 class, you see me? He must say right now, you hear me? It's like every board now, because him say him have a portion of the board pack up, you know. The man say, you start see the board, them just a fling. The man say, shoot him, shoot out, you know. Them time there, you know. Nightcrawler no know what go on, you know. Mad Max run off of the work, you know, peeps. Because Mad Max say, here we go on now, no. Him now make foot feel him, you know, brother. Because him alone, there's another lonely place, another house, you know, brother. You see me? No light, not even dead, you know, candle, because they have to cut the light to take off the roof, you know. You see me? Brother, you don't know, say. You don't know phone never freak na them time when so no phone no dead. So Mad Max run gonna feel me on, you know. Nightcrawler now say him now come on pan the work, you know. See? When he come on pan the work, him come say some board pack up and thing neat, you know. Because he must say even the same board them when Max say did a fling. When he reach everything pack up neat. So him say him go down and boy must say, nah man, but see the man did a clean out the place. I went Max. You see me to himself, he must say no, so could have went Max gone. But him now say him start picture back and I say, but Lord, nah, but I wonder if the same thing would have reached Max. You see me? Him say by the time him for say so now, you know, brother. The man say me at the door, go so slum and slap on him and the man say, eh. And I'm me alone there so for choose as so now the man say when him say so now Boomski, you know. Go through the door. Like the man say, yo, you can have to go through the door, the same door lock on him, you know. The man say when him do test that and that go fly, you know. The man say him can literally, you know. Hear somebody run him down, you know. The man say I run him, start run down the whole scheme about murder, murder. Because the man say all them good things say a man run him down, you know. But he must say to how him hear the foot them behind him like somebody literally run him down, you know, peeps. The man say, brother, the next morning, early, man say I told him go, brother. The man say not even trust no more roofing work when him have to talk about night. The man say if you not give him work a day, that good. The man say at 5 o'clock come. I'm yeah, the man say him now work no more night, because the man say I could have on the house stop him there and the dopey box him off. You say it, my peeps? Yes, peeps. And just bless up, you don't know, say, yeah, it's another week, you know, and we just give you guys, you know, 2 dopey stories, which me have some more stories to tell you guys, you know, like some past tense thing, you know, we're going in our life, you know, from school days and things, some good experience, bad experience, but you don't know, say, yeah, because you hear this. Last year, somebody kick it off with certain different stories, different from Dopey story. But me have some sick thing, and just me just know when at the right time. You see? So, peeps, enjoy the rest of the week we live. Bless up. And just like, share the videos them same way. Bless up the new people that come over here. Bless up the whole people over here a long time. And just as we grow, because right now we're close to 30K. Oh, and happy birthday, happy belated birthday to this female goes by the name Humble One. You know, I Kimberly, but you know mostly recognize Humble One. You know, you don't know it's a subscriber, viewer, and also a friend. So once you view my thing, you comment on my thing, me and you becomes what? Friend. So all if you never was no friend, for your coming, I just saw it there. So peeps, bless up on yourself, now keep up no more time. And we out.
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Blex. Just Blex tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you, once you die you hurt, the most I alert. If I them alone, them alone. Yeah man, Just Blex, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?